In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the Steam overlay. The Steam overlay is a built-in feature that lets you access your friends list, chat, browser, screenshots, and other Steam features while you're inside a game. For many players, it's extremely useful, but for others, it can sometimes cause performance issues or simply get in the way. So knowing how to quickly turn the Steam overlay on or off is a helpful setting for any PC gamer. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can change this setting in just a few seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam and PC gaming tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer. You can do this from your desktop shortcut, your taskbar, or by searching for Steam in your system search. Once Steam launches and you are logged into your account, look toward the top left corner of the window. You'll see a menu labeled Steam. Click on that option to open the main drop-down menu. Inside this menu, find and click on Settings. This will open the Steam Settings panel where you can control many different features related to your Steam client and your games. Inside the Settings window, look at the list of categories on the left side. Scroll if necessary and click on the section called In-Game. This section controls features that appear while you are actually playing a game through Steam. At the top of this page, you will see an option labeled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. If you want the Steam overlay turned on, simply make sure this box is checked. When it's enabled, you'll be able to open the overlay during gameplay, usually by pressing Shift and Tab on your keyboard. If you prefer to disable the overlay, just uncheck that same box. Disabling it can sometimes improve performance or prevent overlay conflicts with certain games. Once you've chosen the setting you want, simply close the settings window. Steam automatically saves the change, so there's nothing else you need to do. The next time you launch a game through Steam, the overlay will either be enabled or disabled based on the option you selected, and that's all there is to it. That's how you enable or disable the Steam overlay in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Steam guides, PC gaming tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.